Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, and what's up? Welcome back to the Williams family. Sorry guys, I've been MIA. We've just been so busy. I've had exams coming up, so I've been pretty busy, so I haven't been able to vlog in a while. As you can see, your girl is still here studying right now. I'm just on my last couple of days of exams, but I just wanted to come by and show some love to let you know that we are not gone. We're just been hectic, and we ended up having some vlogs which I haven't edited yet because I've just been busy studying. So you know how it do when it comes to studying in school. You gotta put everything aside and get your studying done. So currently I'm in the kitchen as usual. Your girl is in the kitchen and it's taco night. So I am just making some tacos for dinner. Hubby hasn't come home yet from work. The kids are pretty much scattered all over the place, so I'm just here, got my juice mixing and everything else. So I just wanted to come by and do a quick vlog, just to let you guys know that we will be back on regular schedule. My phone got water damage because we did go away for the long weekend, and we got vlogs for that weekend too. So stay tuned for those. They definitely will be coming out. Just after this week, I will be a free agent for a little bit, so I will be making sure that those vlogs get out to you guys. And I am sorry for the hold up, and yeah, sorry I did not come on and say that we've been busy, but yeah, you know when your girl is not uploading. You know when your girl is not uploading, you know that things probably, life got a little bit hectic where I had to stop because your girl had to focus and make sure school is on point, because it is exam time. So your girl had to really buckle down and get things. It is hot as a mother fofo up in here, but yeah, so we just wanted to come by and let you guys know that we will be back. I got a few vlogs for you guys. We have maybe 1 and 2 challenges as well coming out that we've done. I just haven't edit anything, so I will be back to the regular schedule where everything will be we'll be back to the regular schedule. Luckily the videos then will be dropping, so hopefully this video will be out by this week. I will release it, and hopefully maybe by Sunday we'll be dropping our first video. So yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can drop this video for you guys just now. I'm gonna edit it quickly and send it out so you guys can see it. And yeah, just let you guys know, I just wanted to say and like to say hi to all the new subscribers. Hello. And welcome to the Williams family. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Welcome. And I would also like to say thank you for all the supporters that's been there from day one supporting. We love you guys. And yes, and if you guys have been putting comments in the comment below and I have not been responding, sorry guys, my phone has been down. So, and I usually generally always have on my phone where I do quick updates and stuff like that, and if anybody sent me a comment, I always been able to respond quickly. But since my phone's been down and been fixing, I have I don't even know what do you call it, one of them olden days phone right now, because I'm still trying to get my phone up and running. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it's not too bad damage or too bad water damage, because I had so much vlogs on there. So yeah, so some of the vlogs that will be coming out, I know hubby was able to record some of them. So if I'm not able to retrieve the ones from my phone, I do have ones on the camera and my hubby, so you might be getting some pieces of vlogs together. So I just wanted to come by and let you guys know that as well. So yeah, I just wanted to come by and let you guys know that. Oh, and I'm finally getting help in the kitchen. You see, when they decide to come and help me when I'm pretty much done cooking.
I cooked 3 times.
What do you mean you cooked 3 times?
I cooked 3 times.
Today?
No, not today.
I'm talking about today.
And I cut up the meat and I cut up the vegetables.
Yeah, but you were supposed to watch the meat
and
so I could go take a shower.
But you didn't take a shower.
Thank you. No, because how am I supposed to take a shower when you weren't down here to watch the meat?
Yeah, I'm upstairs. And if you came upstairs, I would have came downstairs.
Oh, okay. So there is that conversation. So yeah, guys, just look out for this vlog, for the vlogs, and sorry for the late notice. They will be coming out, and yeah, and stay tuned for more video, guys. The summer is almost over. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Well, I know the kids them in the States, they've gone back to school, so
Already?
hopefully those kids in the States,
got
safe
them
journey
in
while they're back. And well, these ones, they don't start school until the first week of September. So all the kids them in Canada, we don't start school till September. So they are still off for another couple of weeks, and then pretty much it will be school time. Good riddance. Yeah, when kids are off during the summertime, let me tell you how expensive and hectic it is. Well, it's nice when you're able to be home and like do things with them, but boy, it get costly. And then especially if you're going to all these tourist attractions, trust me, the money is height. All this one, because of her height and her head top pony that she always had, we end up having to pay extra for her because they didn't believe she was her proper age, right? And because of her size, yeah, so oh gosh, I don't mean her size as in her weight. I mean her I mean her size as in her height. We had to pay extra for her just to do certain things. So it is crazy, but at the end of the day, like they say, you only live once, so enjoy your family while you can, because nowadays life is so short and we don't get that much time to enjoy your family. So the ones that support you and love you, stick around, enjoy them, bless them well. The ones that don't want to be around you, still wish them well and continue with your life and enjoy it. It is all finished. Hubby is home, so we're all about to sit down and have our tacos. So this is our dinner for taco night.
I'm ready to eat.
You're always ready to eat. Arissa? Okay. Arissa is packing away yourself. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come by and say what's up. And yeah, I'm about to end this vlog here because we are about to eat. And yeah, so I will talk to y'all in the next one. Peace, guys.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and